Hello everyone. This is the material of for the power of 2 and I'm going to lay them out. I have removed them once. Okay, now pay attention and listen carefully. Here we have a unit, one unit. This unit is all alone, but now we are going to give it some power and make it a group of 2. Okay, we are going to make it a group of 2. So we should add one more. Okay, now we have a group of 2. Now let's write the ticket, and we're going to write it like this. Okay, now we have the first group. This group of 2 has some power. We say this is a group of 2 to the first power. And look at this. We put number 1, small 1, in the upper right position. So this is the 2 to the first power. Okay. Now we are going to add another group and give it some more power. It takes more power by taking itself 1 time and 2 times. What does it look like, everyone? Yes, you are right. It looks like a square. It is a square of 2. We write that as 2 to the second power. Look at this. 2 to the second power. But we want even more power. So we will put that much again on top of it and move it over. Okay, we are going to put exactly the same. And move it over. Okay. What shape is this now? Yes, this is a cube. This is a cube of 2. It has more power. And we write it as 2 to the third power. Okay, 2 to the third power. Take a look. We're going to compare it now with the yellow cube from the box. This one. We are going to compare it. Okay. Don't you see that all the sides seem the same? So I will just replace all the little cubes with the yellow one, because it's quite hard to use this all the time. It's easy to fall. Okay, so agree, friend, is the same, is equivalent, exactly the same. So I'm going to replace these little cubes with this one, and we can use it again later on. We can take the little ones again later on. Okay, now we bring down to the other yellow one, because we are going to give some more power. Of course, we will move it. And now we have increased its power to the 4th power. So this is how we write it down, 2 to the 4th power. Okay, we don't stop here because we still want more power. We need to add exactly the same like this. This is the white prism, and we move it over. And we have increased its power to 2 to the 5th power. Okay, this is how we write 2 to the 5th power. Okay. Now we want to give some more power. Now we will match the green square to this. Move it over, because it's not 2 to the 5th power anymore, because we give more power. Now it's become 2 to the 6th power. Now we are going to match the yellow cube to this. Move it over. Move it, and then now it becomes 2 to the 7th power. Okay, we write 2 to the 7th power. Okay, but we still want more power. We will see again. Now we will match to the white prism to this figure. Okay, and we should move it over, because it's not 2 to the 7th power anymore. Now it has become 2 to the 8th power. And this is 2 to the 8th power ticket. But we will add more power to it. We still want more power, everyone. Now we'll match to the last one, the green one, to this figure. And we move it over again. And then we get 2 to the 9th power. Yes. 2 to the 9th power. Take a look first. 2 to the 9th power. Okay. We started from the unit and went on to make 2 to the power of 9. Let's look what we have here. We have given the group of 2 more and more power until we reach 2 to the 9th power. So altogether, this large cube is 2 to the 9th power, everyone. This green square is 2 to the 8th power. And this white prism is 2 to the 7th power. Okay, let's this is 2 to the 9th power, this is 2 to the 8th power, 2 to the 7th power, this is 2 to the 5th power, sorry, this is 2 to the 8, because 2 to 9 is the whole large cube. So this is the green one is 2 to 8 power, and this is the white one is 2 to 7th power. This is 2 to 6 to the 6th power, this is 2 to the 5th power, this is 2 to the 4th power, and this is 2 to the 3rd power. Now we will trade this cube. We will trade this cube for the little ones. For the little ones. But we only need half of them to show the second power. Can you see? Remember that we started with just 1 unit and said that it was all done and had no power. So it is 2 to the power of 0 because it doesn't have any power. It's only 1 unit. Okay, I try to make it Can you see all this thing, everyone? I try to make all go inside to the camera. Okay, did you notice that the pieces go in the pattern? Cube, line square, cube, cube, line, square, cube, line, and then square, cube, line, and square. What do you think would be if we keep going on? Yes, of course, cube, because remember just now 2 to the 9th power, it was cube, and then after that line, after that square. Yes. Okay, the word that stands for the amount in the first group, we are able to make it, it's called base. Okay, I take the example, this one, okay? Okay. So here, in this case, the base is 2. And the little number that tell us which power we have taken, the base is called exponent. Exponent. Okay. So here is 2 is the base, and the exponent just now we have done with the first, the second, the third, the fourth, that is the exponent. So the exponent comes from the Latin word which means to tell something about. So here the exponent tell us something about the base, how much the power it has. The power of a number is a multiplication using just that number. Okay, let's see, let's do it. So 2 to the first power is 2 times 1. 2 to the second power is 2 times 2. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 to the fourth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the fifth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, this is 2 to the sixth power. 2 to the seventh power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 2 to the eighth power, and this is 2 to the ninth power. Okay, 2 times 1, that is equal 2. 2 to the second power is 4. 2 to the third power is 8, because it's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the fourth power is 16. 2 to the fifth power is 32. 2 to the sixth power is 64. And 2 to the seventh power is 128. 2 to the eighth power is 256. And 2 to the ninth power is 512. 512. Okay. We can do the other way too. Like for 2 to the second power, you can do 2 to the first power times 2. And 2 to the third power, you can also find, use this way, 2 to the second power times 2. 2 to the fourth power, you can do 2 to the third power, it's times 2. And just going on like that. Okay, this is 2 to the seventh power times 2 is 4. 2 to the eighth power, and this is 2 to the eighth powers times 2 is for the 2 to the power of 9, or 2 to the ninth power. Okay friends, so this all about to the power of number with the base number 2. Actually, we can use another number to do the power of number, another number as the base. You can do with 3, you can do with 4, you can do with 5 also. Okay, so hopefully, even though you just study at home, you can understand through the video that I gave to you. Thank you everyone. Bye.